Whoever created 2-day weekend, need a ass beat. We just hit 300 subscribers on YouTube. Ah! My hair done grew and I'm not so bald headed. And this is the after. Ah! Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Steph if you're new here, and I'm back with another video. All right, this one won't light in the middle, but we just hit 300 subscribers on YouTube. Ah! Don't mind the one in the middle, it won't light. On TV, sunset shit done changed ever since we was on. I dreamed it all. Oh my gosh, we just hit 300 subscribers on YouTube. I'm so happy. To me, even though it's not that much to you, but to me that's a lot. 300 girlies and gals on my page subscribe to your girl. I'm so excited. I went to Walmart, got me a cake, got me a lemon cake because I do like lemon cakes, even though I shouldn't be eating that. But I'm like, celebrate all of your wins, big or small, celebrate them all. Road to 500, then road to 1K, then we up from there. I'm just so happy. So I wanted to start off the vlog, even though this is gonna be a maintenance vlog. I just wanted to start off the vlog with a little celebration to myself. So yes, if you are, clicking onto the videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, because it's a vibe over here. Just so happy. I wasn't even gonna do it, but I'm like, Steffi, 300, celebrate yourself. And I did. These candles were like $1. The middle one would not light, and the flame was like burning my nails, and I was just like, okay, 2 was enough. But yes, congrats to me. Congratulations. Yeah, my hair done grew and I'm not so bald headed. I'm not so bald headed no more. I was so surprised when I was blow drying my hair. I was like, wait, you got a little... Hello? But I cannot leave the house like this. This looks a mess. Let me go get me a bonnet. It's the only time I'm leaving the house with a bonnet on is to get my hair done. And I just be in the car to the appointment. I don't really even go anywhere else, but I cannot wear no bonnet out. Something about it just don't sit right with me. Might as well just be bald headed. Anyways, I'm gonna do a quick, let me not even say a quick makeup beat, but I'm gonna do like a little something. You gotta make sure you do your hair, your makeup before your appointment to make sure you actually like your hair when you're sitting in that chair, I like to see that full glam. When my makeup is nice and beats. I'm so tired, you don't understand. I'm so tired, but the show must go on. My energy's like, it seems uppity right now just because I'm getting my hair done. I thought I got a hey boo text because my hair appointment is at 10 o'clock. It's now 10:34, but I guess last night when I was sleeping, she texted me say, hey, come at 12. She didn't even ask. She just said, hey, come at 12. As long as you're not canceling, boo, I'm coming. As long as it's not a cancellation, I'm coming. I was so scared when I seen that message. I was like, please no. I didn't even look for no backup hairstylists or nothing. So, yes. I got this Essence lip oil. I had this for quite some time. I have it on right now. So stinking cute. But she bleeds so badly. So I can't even put it in with all my other lip glosses. I have to like sit it upright because it literally bleeds horribly. Another good one that I actually prefer is the Essence lip oil. She's not too sticky. She's not too tacky. She's like the perfect consistency. e.l.f. Applying it feels a little sticky, but actually feels really nice. Really nice. But I prefer the oil. The Essence. Speaking of Essence, I just got this primer from Essence. The hydrating primer. Because I had the e.l.f. which I'm taking right back to the store today. and I want to give her a try. I also have, what else? All my makeup is, let me show y'all. I leave in a couple of days, so literally all my makeup is literally packed up in here. And it's crazy because I bought this from Amazon. I'm like, this is a little bit, it's just too messy. I don't like my makeup messy. I don't like it all over the place. But she fits like literally so much stuff. Like now my brushes are not here in here yet. I washed them and I'm gonna put them in this and put them separate. I don't like that. I normally like all my makeup in one spot, but my brushes don't really fit in this area, so I had to do what I had to do. Yeah, but all my makeup is literally packed, and it's just like but I have all my makeup packed, but at the same time I have two of everything. Like I have that's not packed. I have concealers, I have bronzers, I have foundations, I have everything that's, you know, I have two of everything. So it's just like, it's not really a big deal, but it's just like some of the stuff that I do need are in here. I want to try this primer. Should I put it on my face or on my hands? I don't know. I'm so excited. Just make sure she works. I wanted to use the serum. I bought like a minimizing pore serum. Plus I didn't moisturize my face. I did, but then again, I put toner on. Is it too late to moisturize? It's too late. It definitely is bouncy. But then again, I have some big cheeks anyways. It's like I'm gonna vlog because I'm gonna be on my cruise for 4 days. Instead of making one long, lengthy vlog that's like an hour and a half, I'm just gonna do 4 different vlogs. Why? Because why not? Dude, this is my little shit. For me, I just think it's so hard to find the perfect thumbnails for like a long video. It's like, why not just break it down to 4 different days? You know what I mean? Like, I love making thumbnails. I think that's so fun to me. I didn't even record the video because it was just like, it wasn't a makeup tutorial and I was watching my show and I needed everything to charge, but I finished my makeup. It looks really glowy. I don't know. Dewy, like. I use L'Oreal Infallible, I think it's a setting spray. The red bottle. You know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. It feels really nice, actually. At first, I didn't like it when I first bought it because I'm just like, this feels like got to be glue. But I actually do like it. Yeah, I like it. You just have to know how to layer everything. But I'm heading to my appointment. It's 20 minutes away. When I get there, it'll be like 11:38, so I'll be waiting for about 20 minutes. I wanted to go to the smoke shop to get me a little vape, but it's just like, I don't have time to chance anything. My appointment already got pushed back, but there is a 15-minute grace period before you're charged a fee or before you're canceled, but still, I don't want to put myself through any of that, so let's just, you know, do things right. Okay, so the hair appointment is actually at her house, so hopefully she lets me like record or vlog just a little bit, but if not, boo. But this is the before my hair appointment. But let me vent real quick. I really want a burger, but at the same time, I'm gonna be on a cruise eating a whole bunch of burgers, but I want like a real, like a burger from like one of these restaurants, because cruise burgers don't really be like as good, but they're good, but they're not like, oh, this is a nice juicy burger. And I also do want a drink, so I always do, whenever I like my birthday week, I always go out for a drink. And I want to go somewhere new, like either Chili's or not new, but like besides where I always go, or Longhorn. Not really too many places nearby. But I'm just still stuck on Texas Roadhouse because their bread is fire. Like, I love their bread. Like, it's nice and soft and it keeps coming. It doesn't stop. Even though I eat like about 2 max, maybe 3, but still. I don't know. I think I'm just going to go to Texas Roadhouse and add the extra shot of Don Julio, Acafulio.
This one I better do the job. Me I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me da.
this is the after. Ah! She's too cute. And it's so crazy because I'm not a big fan of curly hair. I love me a middle part, bust down. Anything middle part and straight hair is so me. It's so me, it's so tea. But this is so tea. She ate down bad. Now, I don't know how on earth I'm gonna accomplish the keeping the curl pattern and all that and these baby hair, but I need this to last till my birthday. 3 days. That's it. That's it. That's all. You know, you weren't really sad. You just need your hair done. Mind you, I haven't had my hair done in 6 months. Like, I've been bald headed, roaming these streets for 6 months. Now she's a daddy. Ah! Where am I going? Where we about to go? Where we gonna eat at? Y'all, now I'm in a good mood. I miss having my hair done. Mind you, price is a lot. Getting your hair done is expensive. But I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm loving it. It's the thing about it's, oh my gosh, she ate down. Oh my goodness. It's like my makeup is not really cute at all. My makeup is actually hideous. On camera it actually looks really, really nice, but my makeup looks a mess. Like a mess. But let me get up out of here. There's no service over here. Let me get up out of here. The thing about it though is I forgot what I was saying. I don't know. I just look good. I feel good. I look good. Ah! So stinking cute. Okay. Now, the outfits. So I feel like certain hairstyles go with certain outfits. Like, stop. Don't be rude, gimbal. Covered up in a diamond. Turn off the lights. My body, I feel like.
Bounce that ass like your friend.
Hello, the sun's out when I'm feeling good. Ooh. Y'all, I was talking to myself this whole time. Anyways, I was saying that my makeup, I don't know what I did. I think it's a primer, but my makeup looks so dewy. I don't really like a dewy look. I like my face to be nice and hydrated, but I like a matte look. And I was saying, having to repeat everything and just be like, don't even worry about it. But I'm about to smoke this my little vape to make sure it works while I'm outside of the store, because if it don't work, I need my mini bag. Face that after this. ID. I'm like, baby, I'm believe me, I'm past 20. I'm past 21. Believe me. He was like, yeah, it's a baby face. I know. I'm pushing 30 with a baby face. I'm love it. So they get nasty and nastier. You know what the problem is? Because I like hookah, but like with my friends, I go out with my when I go out with my friends, they be like, oh, what flavor do you want? To me, I don't care, because I feel like they all taste the same. Like they don't taste like I don't taste the flavor as much. But one thing I can't stand is blueberry mint. It just feels like, let's get something else besides blueberry mint. But these personal vapes, they're extremely strong. Like you can really, really taste the flavor. So it's just like, I don't know how I feel about it. Heavy on the coconut, and I prefer it to be heavy on the pineapple. We need like more days than Saturday and Sunday, because running errands within 2 days is not fun. This is insane. Whoever created a 2-day weekend need a ass beat. Just got a Texas Roadhouse and I got me and my drink. That's what I'm here for. Happy birthday to me. A mango margarita with a shot of Don Julio. That's that liquor. That's that liquor. Good morning, babes. It's the next day. Today is nail day. It's not my favorite day. but I do like the results. Like, I hate sitting down getting my nails done. Like, that's not therapeutic to me whatsoever. I just want to get in and get out. But I'm excited to get my nails done because I don't know, this birthday set, super excited about that. I'm so tired. Like, I feel so restless. I just want to be on a beach, just enjoying myself, and I need a nap. Like, I'm not somebody who takes naps. I can't really nap unless I'm extremely tired, but your girl needs a nap. Just one. And last cruise, I think I was just, I don't know, because from dinner time, it's like, okay, dinner be like at 9. I want to say like 9, 8 or 9, right? No, like 8, because it closed at 9. You get there, you're eating, and the club don't open until 12 o'clock. So from 9:30 to like 12, it's like there's nothing to do. I don't gamble. No point in going to the casino. So it's like, I'm going to close my eyes until it's time to go to the club. Then I wake up at 12:30 and it's just like, nah. Ooh, am I going the right way? I'm here talking to you guys. Am I going the right way? Yeah, I am. But yeah, it's like, but I'm gonna set my alarm to make sure I'm not a grandma. Because yes, I'm turning 1 year older, but we shouldn't be acting old. Like, I still should be young and turned. Like, oh my goodness, it's crazy. But I'm gonna see you guys when I get to the nail salon. Just got to my nail appointment. Well, my nail appointment's at 11 and I came early, so it's 10 o'clock and I'm getting a pedicure. So pretty. Oh, thank you. They just scrub my feet so good. The bottom of my feet feel like baby skin. What? I ain't never had this before. Y'all, I'm gonna find it, see if I can find it on Amazon and get me one. I won't stop touching my feet right now. It's so soft. Thank you. They ate with that one. All done. I should have been recording because as I was leaving, the lady who was checking me out, she was like, one sec. She was like, "You're so pretty. You look like a Bratz doll." The amount of times that I get that I look like a Bratz doll is insane. Is it because my lips? Is it my lips? I should have went a little bit longer, but I always be having a debate is if it's too long, it's too short. They're so pretty, but I should have went a little bit longer. It's like, I don't love them, but I do like them. I didn't really like his attitude. It was like, you know how like you're just indecisive in a moment? I understand you're busy, you have things going on. So do I. Every time I was like, wait, just give me a second, let me look. He was just like, I don't know. I didn't like his attitude so much. It wasn't very welcoming, and that was the first time booking him. Oh, I miss my nail set back home. I really do. But the nails, he did eat down though with everything, but I just didn't like his attitude too much. Where's my phone? Hey Siri. Anyways, that's pretty much it. It was a maintenance day. Got my hair done, my nails done, my toes done. I'm spending too much money on, okay? Way too much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the travel vlog.